Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about different models or theories explaining ultrastructure of plasma membrane. First model is sandwich model. It was proposed by Danieli and Dawson in 1935. According to this model, lipid layer is sandwiched by globular or alpha protein layers. According to this model, lipid molecules are arranged in two layers. Exterior to lipid layer and interior to lipid layer, globular proteins are present. Here we can see outside the lipid layer, here globular proteins are there. And inside the lipid layer also, globular proteins are arranged like a layer. So between the two globular protein layers, the phospholipid bilayer is present. This model was the first attempt to describe membrane structure in terms of molecules. The second model is trilamellar model or trilaminar model or unit membrane concept. It was proposed by Robertson. According to this model, all cellular membranes have trilamellar structures and such a universal membrane as unit membrane. According to this model, the unit membrane thickness is 75 angstroms. Outer protein layer here, outer protein layer and inner protein layer thickness is 20 angstroms each. And the middle lipid layer is 35 angstroms thickness. It also resembles the sandwich model. Here in this lipid layer, two layers of phospholipid molecules are present. Head-like structures are hydrophilic in nature and tail-like structures are hydrophobic in nature. And the two layers of phospholipid molecules arranged between the protein layers. But the main difference is here beta proteins are present. And in the outer layer or outer protein layer, mucoproteins are present, and inner protein layer, non-mucoproteins are present. Robertson called this unit membrane as greater membrane.